Hi, I'm Paul at One Man One Dog Micro Camper. So today is Thursday the 21st of February 2019. It's 2:45 in the afternoon and I've just been taking measurements. So I've took the storage unit out. I'm going to put it back in now. I've painted it and done some modifications. So that's what I'm going to do. Right, so let's get it fitted. Okay, here's the storage unit. It's not fixed in yet. I'm just measuring this piece of cardboard. It's going in there as a middle shelf. Okay, so the storage unit is fitted. Brackets there, over there and underneath what you can't see. I've fitted this shelf. Needs a lip at the back just to stop stuff falling down, and that's it. So got my best mate with me, DIY dog. Right, okay, that's it for today. So I'm going to do some more work tomorrow. I might tidy the edges of the mattress up because I've not stapled it on very well. So I might do that. So we'll see. And I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Good morning. It's 8:30 in the morning and it's Friday the 22nd of February 2019. Right, so I'm measuring this here and the width across here. Like I said, a board's going to sit on there and that's what I'm doing my measuring for. And hopefully when I'm not using it, it can sit at the back here if I can manage to get it to fix on or sit in place. Right, going inside, cutting my wood. Okay, so it's now 10 to 2 in the afternoon. The sun's shining, it's red hot, and here's the bed extension. So I've put it like that for now. So I've put it like that, it rests there while I'm driving about and not using it. And when I want to use it, goes on there like that. So I've also done my bed extension at the top here, and I'll set that up and show you now. Right, so that extends out like that. So you've got a 5'10" bed. Go around this side and show you. So that's it. This part here, I'm going to do a bed extension for that bit, but I want to do something with a false floor and a bit of a storage unit there, up there or something, I don't know. But yeah, that's it up to now. Okay, so stuck the dog in, let him have a look round. Right, so I've fitted that there and that's what holds this bedboard up in place. I've also put a board down there, so if I use this for storage, nothing falls out or falls through into the drawer. Right, okay, tomorrow I'm going to fit a piece of worktop on here. Right, okay, see you tomorrow. Okay, it's Saturday the 23rd of February 2019. It's 1:20 in the afternoon and the sun is shining. So I've got the car packed up. I'm going on a micro adventure. Not really adventure. I'm going to someone's house, having a drink, and I'm going to park on my drive tonight and have a kip. So Portaloo, toilet roll, yellow bag blankets, blue bag pillows, chair, heater, extension lead, cool box full of milk, coffee and stuff like that, my cooker, kettle at my back there, little screwdriver, water container and blinds. So I'll catch up with you when I get there and I've set up. Okay, see you in a bit. Right, it's 6 o'clock in the evening and this is a car set up. You can't see it very well, but got the bed set up, got blankets on. Orion's trying to get out. Right, I've got down here, you can't see, but that blue light is an extension lead with a heater. So if I show you, use my brains. So got my blinds on. Right, so I'm going to go and have a drink now, and I'll catch up with you a lot later when I'm going to bed. Stay there, Ryan. Goodbye. Right, so it's midnight. It's time for bed. You can't see, but the dog's asleep under the covers. The noise you can hear is a heater. Dog's asleep under there. He growled when he got in the car and he wasn't happy. But, yeah, that's it. In the camper. Time for bed. Good night. Morning. It's 7 AM in the morning. Been up for about half an hour. Right, good morning. It's 8 o'clock now. You can see the sun's out, so I'm going to pack up and I'm going to head home. So you've been watching me, Paul, at One Man One Dog Micro Camper with my little dog Orion. We've been car camping. It's been a video and we're doing a bit of DIY and car camping. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've got a bit of a dry throat. I need a drink. So if you like this video, hit the subscribe button. I'll put links down below to my social media. And okay, thanks. Bye.